A very good morning. You're watching Today in Parliament with me, Aishwarya Kapoor. Let us start the Parliament news with the headlines. Rajya Sabha to continue discussion on the Ayurveda Teaching and Research Institute Bill. Members to also discuss the COVID-19 pandemic and the government steps on it in the wake of Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan's statement yesterday. Bill proposing 30% reduction in the salaries of MPs for a year to be taken up for consideration and passing in the upper house. Bill is aimed at raising resources to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 and Indian Medical Council Amendment Bill 2020 listed for business. Lok Sabha to take up Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020, two bills to facilitate free trade and better prices for farmers, also listed in the day's business. Four key bills are listed for consideration and passing in the Rajya Sabha today. Let's take a look at some of them. The Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020 will be moved by Union Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan. The bill aims to provide for the establishment of an Ayurveda Research Institute for the promotion of education, research and training in Ayurveda. The Salaries and Allowances of Ministers Amendment Bill 2020 is scheduled to be moved for passing in the upper house for consideration and passing. The bill seeks to reduce the salaries of MPs and the sumptuary allowance of ministers by 30%. These changes have been made for a period of 1 year, effective from 1st of April 2020. The bill, which amends the Salaries and Allowances of Ministers Act 1952, was passed by the Lok Sabha yesterday. The Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 is listed to be moved in the upper house. The bill amends the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973. It aims to regulate homeopathic education and practice. Also scheduled to be moved in the House is the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill 2020. The bill amends the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970. And now let's take a look at the legislative business in the Lok Sabha today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will move the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar will move the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. The Agriculture Minister will also move the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. And in some other business in the upper house, ministers will table papers related to their ministries. G. Kishan Reddy for the Ministry of Home Affairs and Ratan Lal Kataria for the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. MPs Ram Kumar Verma and Kanta Kardam will present reports on the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Minister of State G. Kishan Reddy will make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations in the 202nd report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Management of a Worsening Traffic Situation in Delhi. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri will move a motion for the election of a member from the House to the Rubber Board. And discussion on the statement made by Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on the COVID-19 pandemic and the steps taken by the government will continue today. The discussion was taken up by the upper house yesterday. And in other legislative business in Lok Sabha today, ministers will table important papers pertaining to the ministries in the House. Now, some of them are Prahlad Joshi for the Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines, Rao Inderjeet Singh for the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Shripad Yesu Naik for the Ministry of Defence, Jitendra Singh for the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Hardeep Singh Puri for the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Arjun Ram Meghwal for the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Dhotre Sanjay Shamrao for the Ministry of Communications and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Angadi Suresh Channabasappa for the Ministry of Railways. Lok Sabha Secretary General Snehlata Srivastava will report a message from Rajya Sabha regarding the Aircraft Amendment Bill 2020. Angadi Suresh Channabasappa will make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the third report of the Standing Committee on Railways on Demands for Grants 2020-21 pertaining to the Ministry of Railways. All right, our colleague Kriti Mishra is now joining us live from the national capital. A very good morning, Kriti. Kriti, Rajya Sabha yesterday passed the Aircraft Amendment Bill, and we saw a very productive day, a very productive discussion on that particular bill. And today, 3 key bills related to medicine have been listed. Also, another bill related to the cut of salaries of all the MPs by 30% for the next 2 years has been listed. Of course, this bill was passed by Lok Sabha yesterday. How have the proceedings progressed so far, and what can we expect today?
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. On the commencement of the monsoon session, or the 252nd session of the Rajya Sabha, we saw a very productive day, and yesterday also we saw that one important bill was passed and several other important bills were introduced. Now, talking about today's agenda, as you've mentioned, there is a very important bill related to the reduction in the salaries of MPs by 30% due to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, this bill has already been passed by the Lok Sabha. That will be taken up in the Rajya Sabha today. And there is another important bill, which is the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020, which would be taken up along the statutory resolution that provides for increasing the suppression of the Central Council of Homeopathy from 2 years to 3 years. So these are the important bills that will be taken up in the Rajya Sabha today, in addition to the discussion on the statement made by Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on the COVID strategy of India. Remember, he made an elaborate statement in the House yesterday describing India's multi-pronged strategy to combat the menace of coronavirus, and also the fact that by when do we expect the vaccines, and also how India has developed this infrastructure. So the members would seek clarifications from the minister and also give suggestions to the government. So important day as far as the upper house is concerned. Back to you, Aishwarya.
Absolutely, a very important day for Rajya Sabha, of course. And talking about Lok Sabha, Kriti, Lok Sabha is going to take up the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020, and this bill aims to bring the cooperative banks under the supervision of the RBI. So very important bill in the Lok Sabha coming up ahead as well.
Well, that's right. As far as the agenda of Lok Sabha is concerned, as you've mentioned, there's a Banking Regulation Amendment Bill that provides for supervision of the cooperative banks by the RBI, that will also provide for actually getting the stressed lenders out of it by amalgamation without putting a moratorium. So that's a very important bill that will be taken up in the Lok Sabha. And besides that, the bills related to the farmers. Now, remember, the government had promulgated ordinance in this regard, and also the fact that several states did not have APMC reforms as suggested by the centre, that led to heterogeneity in the laws, and that also proved to be an impediment in the modern trading system. So these are the important bills related to the farmers that will be taken up in the Lok Sabha today. Aishwarya?
Absolutely, Kriti, well said. Lok Sabha yesterday cleared, in fact, one of these three bills relating to the farmer community. And yesterday we saw Minister of State Rao Sahab Patil Danve also claiming that this legislation, in fact, talking in length about this legislation, how this legislation is going to help the farmers progress. And two other bills, of course, intended to facilitate free trade and better pricing for farmers have been listed in the Dave's business. So very, very important bills relating to farming community in our country coming up in Lok Sabha today.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. I remember the government has always talked about doubling the farmers' income. Now, several steps have been taken, and as far as these ordinances or bills are concerned, these aim to increase the remunerative prices to the farmers by making it more competitive and finding new markets for the farmers, and also the fact that India is looking at agricultural export in a big way. So these are the two important bills that will be taken up in the Lok Sabha today that pave way for better prices for the farmers of the country. Aishwarya?
Right, Kriti. Thank you so much for all those updates on today's agenda in Parliament. We'll keep coming back to you in the subsequent bulletins. And with that, we wrap up this edition of Today in Parliament. Thanks so much for watching.